The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Springfield, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Springfield, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Pleasant View, Orlinda, Adams, Cedar Hill, Mitchellville, Blackjack, Bethpage, Oak Grove, and Bledsoe Creek State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Without the paddle wheel, we wouldn't be able to go against the current. What do you mean, Gilbert? See those sticks and leaves over there? They're floating with the current, which is called